Let's go!
Hi, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Keep it simple, Tito Arnold's Vlog. I-update ko lang po kayo sa watermelon project. As usual, we lost again. But hindi naman po tayo pinanghihinaan ng loob. In every project, there is a downsize. Because I think the three typhoon that hit the Philippines, like Nika, Ophel, and Pepito, it impact our watermelon projects and the farmers out there. Everyone is impacted with this typhoon, three typhoon in 1 month. So, ayan po, naapektuhan po ang aming watermelon project. And the quality is still there, but the price of our product, our buyers, like, they buy it in a lower price. But for me, it's a loss. I lost a lot, especially the budget. The budget of that is almost, it is 180,000, 180,000 po ang budget ko sa watermelon. At ang report pa lang po ngayon ay nasa kalahati pa lang po. Half of that budget, it's been acquired. So the team are of course, are not unhappy, and umaasa na ho sila na mataas ang magiging presyo. They're hoping that the price of the watermelon of our buyer will buy in a right price or fair price po. Pero it's really the lowest price that they buy. So ayan po, learning lesson po sa akin, sa aking team. I just let them do this because I trust them so much, and I really trust them still from the get-go. So I trust the team, and maybe we bounce some other day, some other time. Losing is really hurt, but we can learn from that experience. So this is my first time na matamnan ko po ang farm namin ng watermelon. Ayan po, nagiging experience ko po sa atin. Pero let's keep on praying, let's keep on moving, and let's keep on winning. So ayan po, if you want to win, don't stop. Keep on going. So, ang masasabi ko lang po, there is always hope. There is light at the end of the tunnel. So, ayan po. At lagi po akong dumadalangin sa Panginoon na one day ay magiging ascension na rin po ang Farm Manaloto dyan sa Nueva Ecija. I think, and I'm sure na tama ang mga taong humahawak at pinagkakatiwalaan namin dyan. So let's keep on moving, and let's keep on praying. And here comes again the second season of planting of the palay. So let's concentrate. I know it's hurt, but let's keep on moving. So keep safe, keep healthy, and keep on moving. Because moving is power. It's always power on because of God above. So, ayan po. At Nawa ay maibigan ninyo ang munti kong video. So, until then, and I hope you like my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep it simple with Tito Arnold's Vlog. God bless po. Folks, ito po ang malakas na ulan ng Typhoon Pipito. Ito po yung pangatlong tumama sa amin na typhoon. Typhoon Niki and Typhoon Ophel and Typhoon Pipito. Ito na po yung masyado kaming naapektuhan dito sa rain na ito ng watermelon. So, kaya ho, maganda rin po ang aming watermelon, pero sa market po talaga, ang aming buyer talagang napakababa ng kanilang pagkuha o pagbili sa aming mga product ng watermelon. Kaya mag-ingat po tayong lahat, sa lahat ng aking mga kababayan ng Pilipino, sa tatlong bagyong nakaraan na sinalanta po tayo ng bagyo, at maging matatag lang po tayo. Laban lang mga kababayan sa hamon ng buhay. Keep on moving and keep on praying, because God is always with us to protect us and to help us and to bless us. Po, God bless po sa inyong lahat. Bye for now.
Po sila, iniipon lang nila yung pakwan. Ang dami na, may ipon na. Sila pasahan. Tignan nga natin yung pagkapula niya. Ayan o, pulang-pula na o. Games. Meron na namang bagyong parating, si Ophel. Palabas na si Nika, si Ophel naman ngayon. nasa kabila.
Ayan, binubuntun pa lang po nila.
Ang ibang mga buraot na kukunin naman ng mga pulong-pulong bukas. May mga kukunin pa kami sa bukid. Mga 3 hapon pa siguro na ganito. Dito yung iba sa bodega. Garahe. Yung iba nandoon pa sa bukid. Ito yung buraot na tinatawag. Let's go!
Nagumuhaw na ako eh. Katangan.
Ito na sila. Ayuda na bigas. Thank you, Dinuaro. Salamat po sa bigas. Thank you, Dinuaro. Salamat po sa bigas. Thank you, Dinuaro. Salamat po sa bigas.
No, my silence around you in the brightness of day. Your love surrounds me every single way. Forever faithful, forever true. Your love endures, it's always new. In every season, in every storm, you're my anchor, you're my song. Through the valleys deep and wide,